Hey everyone, welcome back to Toko's Reviews. Today, as you guys can see here, I just received my package from GT Omega. And I just want to, before I jump into this, I just want to give a shout out to GT Omega for sending this to me on time. And also to the guy that I was talking to earlier today about the package that I'm actually receiving. So again, this is a shout out to GT Omega. Thank you very much for sending this to me on time, and I really appreciate it. So what we have here is the ART Racing Simulator Cockpit. This is the entire thing, and I also got the RS9 racing seat, and I also got the Flight HOTAS a simulator. So I guess what I wanted to say is, this is going to be a review of the unboxing, and also I just wanted to have one system that does it all. Okay, so this is going to be a racing simulator slash flight simulator slash FPS gaming. I haven't got the keyboard stand and the mouse stand yet, but I will be ordering that once I finish and figure out what I need to do in order to properly do this. And when most people build this, they're very anticipated. They just want to jump into it and start doing things. I'm going to take my time because I want to do it right, and I just want to go to one system that would pretty much do it all. And that's the overall goal of this actual build, because I do have a gaming setup, I do have a simulator, but this is a little bit different. This is going to be new, and I just want to build it from the ground on up. And this is going to be, again, a overview and review of the unboxing to see what I need to do in order to make my all-in-one package possible. So, having said that, let's jump into the unboxing. Let's go, yeah!
Baby, me, my your body. I can now make it my pickle high go. I love it how you shake that boobies. Let's go and go and tiny for lolly. Baby, me, my your body. I love it how you shake that boobies. Drop it down low, tell I'm my oingoa.
DJ Muffy's on the track.
For secret, tell I'm my oingoa. Mga my kita hoa. Kanang ope, iyan tala noa. Te kunito yo dance floor. Fire nge mua jima imoa. Tetang tukua mo siwa. If I moke fana omoa. Konang ni, she's my lover. Baby, me, my your body. I love it how you shake that boobies. Drop it down low, bring it up slow. Let me see you work that thing. Baby, me, your body. I love it how you shake that boobies. Drop it down low, bring it up slow. Let me see you work that thing. Let me see you work that thing. Let me see you work that thing. Work that thing, work that thing, work that. I Nikki break down, 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 he break down, 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 he break down, down. I Nikki break down, break it down, my I can now make it my pickle high go. Kata lot of pain, kita langit, then screen go, tiny for lolly. Don't kita tangi fariki, drop it down low, forgot to make it busy. Kita DJ, tuwa ka EFC, eko baby any elili OC. Baby, me, your body. I love it how you shake that boobies. Drop it down low, bring it up slow. Let me see you work that thing. Baby, me, your body. I love it how you shake that boobies. Drop it down low, bring it up slow. Let me see you work that thing. Let me see you work that thing. Let me see you work that thing. Work that thing, work that thing, work that, work. I Nikki break down, 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 he break down, 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 he break down. I Nikki break down, break it down, my I can now make it my pickle high go. Kata lot of pain, kita langit, then screen go, tiny for lolly. Don't kita tangi fariki, drop it down low, forgot to make it busy. Kita DJ, tuwa ka EFC, eko baby any elili OC. Baby, me, your body. I love it how you shake that boobies. Drop it down low, bring it up slow. Let me see you work that thing. Baby, me, your body.
that is the overall unboxing of the GTX Omega Art simulation cockpit, and I just finished building it, guys. It took me about an hour. Besides the, when they put this side together, the bolts were actually bolted the wrong way, so that took some a couple seconds off. But it's an amazing cockpit. I will be doing a custom bracket here on down, and also I'm going to be running across here, probably up to here, some bars to go across, because what I want to basically use later on, probably in a couple of weeks or a month from now, I will be upgrading my wheelbase. So it'll basically be a Fanatic podium. So it's definitely going to be a DD1. I do want to get the DD2, but I think I'm going to just go with the DD1 for now. But as far as that, it's a very nice seat. I still got to mount some other stuff to it, but it took me about, I'm going to be honest guys, about 45 minutes to an hour to assemble this all together. In the beginning, I didn't know, or I didn't read the instruction paper. I just went off ahead. The only problem I was having was the seat, but I managed to pull that off. So other than that, man, once again, a shout out to GT Omega. Thank you very much for getting this to me on time, and I appreciate the rep that I was talking to from GT Omega. Actually, let me get his name, man, because I keep saying that, but I'm not getting his name. I'm not saying his name out, so this is a shout out to him too. And his name is Connor McLaughlin. Connor McLaughlin, this is a shout out to you. He's one of the customer specialists from GT Omega. This is a shout out to you for getting back to me ASAP from GT Omega, Connor McLaughlin. And also again, shout out to GT Omega. Thank you so much for this, man. I appreciate it. And like always, guys, if you guys like content like this, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys have any comments or any questions, drop it down below. I'll get back to you ASAP. And if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, man. I really appreciate it. Like always, guys, until the next episode, until we see the new, when I'm going to mount all my pedals, the wheelbase, and the shifters, and all the other stuff for the flight simulator, that will be another video. And like always, guys, off out from Toko's Reviews. Peace!